This new video. In this video we are gonna teach you how to install an app from the Microsoft App Store. First of all, you have got to locate it. In this case you can do this by scrolling to the M section. If I could find it at least. Microsoft Store. And then you have opened it. Okay, in this case I actually need iTunes since I have an iPhone, not like an old one. Okay, so we go here and click the install button. Now it's pending currently because I have other things on my queue. But no, it's actually the first one in the queue. Why is it not downloading? Okay, weird. Okay, it's now downloading. Okay, and you just wait. You can do anything else in your waiting time. And in a few minutes it will be installed. So yeah, that was the tutorial. Hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.